Remy, good morning. Now I work for 3 days and this. I should say the house already come out in this. So the one you really wait now reaching enough for up. Watching enough for up. No work and that with no work. Follow that. The dining to give us to prepare material for maybe ash for here. Yesterday I called that boy for that the pillar for front door here. He tell me say they feel rain that pillar. That pillar they rent and one day na 14,000, and they fit do all the 3 pillar for one day. I say tell me. No, but I know I go see the kind more we get them. I know I go there. I only call in for phone. So I give a good day go look am, and then start to check too for sun. Because we need sun. And you see the block where they remain for here. So now block where they keep put and they put plank on top where they walk. That scandal not there. You really worry. Because now they need to carry another block where they use and now where they put our up. So there as a scandal not there. You use another block we should say they not get block for work because the scandal not there. So we need to struggle for bring that scandal. Then second thing again too na sand now all sand that will remain so for down this road. So if they work today and tomorrow the sand will finish. So we need to for the think about that. Make they bring sand too. For me, if we go buy sand way, if you use even for cut floor in the near future, like how we buy that small one so for that foundation. That foundation will remain small. See I say it helps you now so for building. So we don't see and they work that way day. We don't succeed for doing all the time there. So the building don't really come on so mind that. Because we buy that stand, we use them again for more some block. Because the block you know correct, we need for more like 5 bags cement. Yeah man, good morning. Now the project this we only do one. You had and so the level for the house on B. A dining section this. My kitchen this. My store this. My kitchen veranda this also.